How to create AI image in Zoomerang. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create your AI image here at Zoomerang. So here at Zoomerang, all we need to do to make yourself some AI image right here, all we need to do is click on the profile on the bottom right corner, as you see right there. Beep boop. After right here on the profile on the bottom right corner, next thing we need to do is press on template right here on the middle. After pressing on your template right there in the middle, you'll be located right here. Once you're located right here on the top, you will see AI image right there. On the top, on the right side corner, you will see right there AI image. And press on the AI image. So here at the AI image, you may now generate your image. For those who are just using this, for those who are new to this, you only have a 3 image generate for free. So now we're just gonna use them carefully. So we can image make me apple. There you go. And then click on generate right there. As you can see right now, it is now generating our AI image for free. So here we only have like 3 uses for our free. There you go. As you can see right now, we have our image right here. Now we can generate more or use the image if you want. And on top right corner, you will see the lines right there. Let's see. Oh, we have an ad right now. Sorry for the ad, guys. There you go. I'm using the free version. Yeah, there you go. We have the 3 dots on the top right corner. Once you click on the 3 dots on the top right corner, you may report it for if it's bad, or if it's violent, harassment, spam, or you just don't like it, or you can put others. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you generate AI image here at Zoomerang. Hope you guys enjoyed. We should join. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you, guys.